What do you guys think about this beautiful eye makeup? Happy Valentine's Day, my friends. So, in this Valentine, I thought that I would be coming up with a beautiful eye makeup, which is yet elegant but also gives the bold statement as your love shines. So, I got this eye look, and for that, I am starting with concealing my eyelids because it is really important to pop up your eyes. You have to first conceal your eyelid, and for that I'm using concealer by LA Girl, and I am just using it all over my lid and above my eyebrows as well because I want a clean canvas to work with. And I'm using a Sigma brush to spread my concealer evenly. It is a concealer brush, and after doing this I am setting my concealer with the powder everywhere. After setting the entire lid space of my eye with a loose powder, now I am all set to draw a wing eyeliner, and for that I am using a simple brown kajal pencil and taking out the wing. If you guys want to learn how to create this long elongated wing eyeliner, do let me know. And I am just filling the gaps of that eyeliner. Afterwards, I am using this red rig color from the Hated with Love palette and start blending it on my crease and on my lower lash line as well. After finishing up, I am going for the final touch to apply the pressed glitter. I'm using the finger to apply it evenly. And after this, I am now highlighting my brow bone using a coral bone shade from the same palette, and this is going to give my eyes even more bright light look. And after that I am going with the liner. As I told you in the previous video, same way I'm going to apply my eyeliner, and starting from the middle of my eyes, and afterwards I am going to pair this liner with a wing to create my eye look even more beautiful. And for that I am creating a wing eyeliner and joining it all the way to the middle of my eye. After this eyeliner, I am going to do lashes, and I have done that off camera. Now I'm using the highlighter in the inner corner to pop up my eyes and make them look even more bigger. And for the final touch, I have applied a kohl kajal to make my eye look even more balanced and beautiful. So this is all about the Valentine's look that I have created. Do let me know that what do you guys think about this video and this makeup. Please consider subscribing. Thank you very much to come on my channel.